everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we have with us the real green monster, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 BS6. Back in my college days, one of our professors used to have it and I was like, man, this is the bike to own. And today, after so many years, I am here with the BS6 variant of the Ninja 300. I still do not own it, but then I have a chance to review it. Special thanks to Kawasaki Wakadewadi for providing us this bike for the review. You can visit their dealership for the best offers on Kawasaki products in Pune. And you don't have to worry because they are keeping your safety in check and following all the guidelines issued by the government. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out any automotive news from Rev Explorers. We are also present on Instagram. Our handle will be right over here. Go ahead and check out our page and follow us there as well. Now let's begin with the real monstrous review of the Ninja 300. The Ninja 300 doesn't have many changes in this BS6 avatar other than the fact that the engine is now tweaked to be BS6 compliant. Kawasaki offers 3 new colors on the Ninja 300, but there are just 3 colors. So in the front, you have the dual headlamp setup. Now it is a halogen setup. One is a high beam, one is for low beam. Then you have the bulb turn indicators. Along with that are telescopic forks in the front. Now these are 37mm telescopic forks with a 120mm travel. The front tire is of the section 110/70 and it is mounted on a 17-inch black coated alloy wheel. Now this is a normal MRF zapper tire, it is not a radial one. I believe that with the premium price of Ninja 300, a radial tire should be offered. With that, for your safety is a dual channel ABS setup and a 290mm pedal disc brake in the front. From the side profile, well, definitely it looks sporty and Kawasaki has thought it through because they have given you big vents so that the heat is dissipated away from your legs and you do not have the problem on your legs when you are going for long rides. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 gets a 17-liter fuel tank and gives you a claimed fuel efficiency of somewhere around 32 kmpl, so you can easily get 30 kmpl on your long rides. Now this is sufficient enough because it is powered by a 296cc parallel twin engine which is liquid cooled and has fuel injection with dual valve throttle. Now what this dual valve throttle does is it basically controls the air intake flow so that the combustion is efficient as well as you have a linear power delivery, and this bike is smooth as a knife going through the butter. Now this motor is mated with a 6-speed gearbox and generates a maximum power of 39 PS at 11,000 RPM and a peak torque of 26 Nm at 10,000 RPM. Now with the BS6 compliance, the power is still the same, however the torque has taken a hit and it has gone down by 1 Nm. The complete bike sits on a diamond frame and weighs 180 kgs and the ground clearance of the bike has gone up by 5 mm from its predecessor and now it is 140 mm, which is decent enough for this bike. The Ninja 300 definitely gets a split step-up seat, but these seats are very comfortable. The rider seat is good and comfortable, plus the pillion seat is also manageable and you have this strap for the pillion to hold on to it. Along with that, you get a 5-step adjustable monoshock in the rear, which you cannot see, which has a travel of 132 mm, and then we have this side hung single barrel exhaust which is new to this BS6 variant. Now let's check out how it sounds. At the rear is a 140/70 section MRF Nilo grip, which is not a radial tire. I believe that Kawasaki should at least give radial tires to this bike because this one deserves it. It is mounted on a 17-inch black coated alloy wheel and has a 220mm pedal disc brake in the rear with dual channel ABS. At the rear is bulb tail light with bulb turn indicators. Now let's quickly hop on to the saddle. As I've already said, the saddle is comfortable for the rider and the saddle height has gone down by 5 mm in this BS6 variant. Now it sits at 780 mm. So I am 5'9", I can easily get both of my feet on the ground, and if you are above 5'5", you can easily ride this bike. Now let's check out the semi-digital instrument cluster. The instrument cluster on the Ninja 300 is still the same. So you have an analog tachometer with a digital speedometer on the right lower side with digital fuel gauge. Then you have the time and the odometer and trip meter. On the analog tachometer console, on the left hand side you have multiple indicators as well as on the right hand side. So you have the turn indicator, then you have the high beam indicator, neutral indicator, engine oil indicator, then you have engine malfunction indicator, then ABS indicator, and so on. Coming to the clip-on handlebars, on the right hand side you have the kill switch with the self start switch. On the left hand side you have the pass switch, the headlight control, the turn indicator control, and the horn. So it is a very loud single tone horn. The mirrors are good, but then they have a lot of blind spots, so you need to get the blind spot remover fitted so that you can easily ride it in the cities. On the highways, I do not think so that it will be so much of an issue because you will be going faster than any vehicle on the road. And now it's time to take the Ninja 300 on the city roads of Pune and see how it performs. But before you go on a ride, don't forget to wear your helmet and follow all road safety rules. Comfort is out of question on this motorcycle because this is pure sports. Every inch of it is sporty. Definitely you have an adequately cushioned seat for the rider and the pillion, but I recommend to ride solo on this motorcycle because then you can take the benefit of the low set clip-ons and the rear set foot pegs. The posture is really aggressive and aids in easily tucking yourself in. When you are all tucked, the visor helps in lowering the air drag by moving the wind over your helmet. Due to this aggressive posture, the weight is diverted to your palms, and for someone who is not used to it, this will definitely hurt for a few days. The parallel twin makes all the difference on this motorcycle. The acceleration is so smooth, it gives a linear power delivery and there are no vibrations at all, even at the top, which is slightly over 13,000 for this motorcycle, and hence it can't be compared to the likes of RC390 and the RR310. On paper, the performance figures won't look that amazing. Then you understand, this is pure sports. The power delivery is linear and is spread throughout the rev range. Hence, you will not feel the raw punch. This motorcycle has a good low end, strong mid-range, and there is no stopping and ending for the top range. It just keeps on pulling without giving up from the first gear to the 6th. It easily goes beyond the 100 mark in the 3rd gear itself, and the progress is effortless. It never feels like a 300cc motorcycle. It can do amazing top speeds that you can't even test in the city, and with the rising tachometer, there is a sporty suppressed sound from the exhaust, which makes you go even faster. The performance is where it makes the motorcycle worth every penny, and I love it. I have never seen such smooth and powerful delivery on any motorcycle in this segment, and that is the charm of owning a Ninja 300. With that, the fuel efficiency is also good with the help of dual throttle valve technology, which helps in better control the air intake, in turn keeping a better air to fuel mixture and hence a better fuel efficiency. The gearbox is also very smooth, precise and light, making the shifts easy, and there is no false neutral issue, even while aggressive shifting. These smooth shifts are assisted by the assist and slipper clutch, which really comes in handy while aggressive downshifts in the corners. The operation is also light, and hence it won't be a trouble when you need frequent shifts in the traffic. The Ninja 300 gets a dual channel ABS with endurance calipers, which I feel are slightly budget calipers for a premium motorcycle like Ninja. I would have expected to see either Nissan or Biber calipers on this bike. I don't mean to say that they don't perform well. They do, because both the calipers are dual piston and help in keeping the motorcycle in control. The feedback from the rear brake is slightly on a lower side. However, the front one, despite of being a 290mm, does a fantastic job when it comes to stopping power and feedback. I felt that the ABS is slightly intrusive when you pound the brakes hard. The suspensions are good, and the front one is a blend, because when riding at low speed, the front telescopic fork absorbs the bumps easily. However, at high speed, they are all stiff, and with that, the feedback is great. So you can scrape your knees in the corner and have all the fun you want, because the handling characteristics are also amazing. And the complete setup does a tremendous job at high speeds. In fact, for that matter, the high speed stability is also very good, but I feel if there were radials on this motorcycle, it would have been more grippier in the corners. The build quality and the finish are all premium. The engine and power delivery are amazing. Few places where it takes a hit are the electronic aids. I believe Kawasaki should update the 300 just like the 650, and then it will be unbeatable. Well, technically today also it is, but has few missouts. Our ride with the Ninja 300 has come to an end, and I am not sad about it, because don't tell anyone, I am going to ride the Ninja 650 next. But for now, if you like the Ninja 300, you have to pay a premium price of 3.18 lakhs. I believe that this bike is a monster when it runs on the road. It is smooth and it is very powerful. But the only thing is, because of this 3.18 lakhs, although it is 20,000 cheaper than the BS4 variant, we would love to see some TFT with Bluetooth connectivity, as well as radial tires and LED headlamps to at least justify this premium. Other than that, this is a superb machine that can run really strong. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and share it with your family and friends. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out any great content from Rev Explorers. You can also go ahead and check out our Instagram, Facebook and Twitter pages. The handle will be right over here. Follow us there, like us there, and if you have any doubts or any queries, you can leave it in the comment section below or just get in touch with us on our social media pages. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and ride safe. Bye bye.